We are continuing our coverage of the federal government shutdown. As it stretches on, thousands of workers across Georgia are feeling the strain of missed paychecks. But now one local credit union is stepping in to help. Joining us now from Associated Credit Union is Chad Evans. Chad, appreciate your time this morning. Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
So we understand you have a program out there to help families stay afloat. Can you explain to us how it works?
Yes, when the federal government shutdown began, we got together as a team and rolled out a low-interest personal loan for consumers that were facing a hardship due to their income being furloughed.
What kind of low interest are we talking about here, and what are some of the repayment terms offered here?
So we initially started with up to $600 for 4%, up to 9 months. That gets them for a temporary help, and then if the government shutdown continues to roll on, then we'll be there to help them with further loans as we go forward. So far, we've granted over 100 of them since the beginning of October.
100 loans, and
yes.
If somebody's interested, how can they reach out to you and take part in this?
Well, as you know, credit unions are cooperatives, financial institutions, and so we're here as a mantra of people helping people. And the best way to get in touch with us is to call us at our local number, and we have agents standing by to help them with those loans temporarily. We normally can get them done same day for those members that are already a member of Associated Credit Union and are employees or contracted with the government.
Chad, if this shutdown continues, as it appears it will, could become the longest shutdown we've seen in U.S. government history. I mean, how long can a credit union like yourself sustain this level of support? How long can it keep this program going?
Well, we're going to take that on a month-to-month basis and hope for the best on a compromise. We also work with our local league, the League of Southeast Credit Unions, toward advocacy with both sides, hoping to come to a compromise. In addition, on the other side, for those that already have loans with us, we are, granting special exceptions for helping those members out with reduced payments on their payments that are due with us currently, and ones that are coming up at the beginning of November.
I think that leads into my next question: is what's the long-term goal for helping these members recover financially? Anything more that you guys can do on the back end of this once the government does reopen?
Education. I think we have a number of financial counseling employees that are certified that can help work members through these hard times. We offer a number of budgeting tools on our website, and with calling in, we can provide those, and then just helping them with their day-to-day budget allocation, and really just getting them through until the income comes back to full force.
Yeah, I think a lot of folks learning the hard way, perhaps the importance of an emergency fund through this shutdown. Given your history of serving federal employees, the ACU, can you talk to me just about how personal this initiative is for you and your team?
Yeah, we've been around since 1930, and as you said, our baseline was the Federal Employees Credit Union before a merger. And so we have 15 to 20% of our members that work with the CDC, the VA, the IRS, and other federal agencies here locally in Georgia. And so these are our members that do business with us every day. We talk to them on the phone. We serve them in our branches and virtually on the website. So we know them personally. We know the struggles they're going through, and we're here to help them make it through this together.
Chad Evans, we thank you for your time. Appreciate you.